Hey guys, this is the Mr. Krish. Today let's talk about what is stock market, what are shares, and why do companies sell those shares. So without any further ado, let's get started. Before we start, let's talk about what does a stock mean. Stock is a partial ownership of the company. If you own any company shares, that means you are involved in its profits and its losses. I will try to explain with an example. Let's say an XYZ company wants to open a new branch or they want to expand the existing brand. For this, they need crores of money. So, to raise money, they have two options. One is bank loan. But if they take loan from the bank, they need to pay huge amount of interest. So, they come into the stock market and sell shares to public. In this way, they no need to pay any interest. Once they decide that they want to come into the stock market, the company will decide the share value. For example, this is how it works. If any XYZ company needs 1 crore and they want to release 1 lakh shares, they divide 1 crore with 1 lakh shares. Then each share value becomes rupees 100. And again, all companies won't do same calculations. Each different company calculates differently. Now, let's say you have rupees 10,000 and you want to invest in the stock market. You will research XYZ company about how it's growing and also about its profits and losses. If you feel it is good, then you will invest in it. Now, if you buy 100 shares of XYZ company which are worth rupees of 100 with total amount of 10,000, that means you are a part of its company ownership and also in its profits and losses. In the same way, other investors also invest in the share. Let's assume that if the company runs good, the initial amount of 1 crore will become 2 crore. Now the share value becomes rupees 200. Now if want, you can sell the 100 shares of rupees 20,000. That means you gain profit of rupees 10,000. Let's assume that if the company is not performing good and making losses, then share value falls by rupees 50. And this is just an example. It may fall to rupees 60 or rupees 40. It totally depends on the company behavior. If it falls by rupees 50, then you make rupees 50 loss for each share. And you need to exit by losing rupees 5,000. That is 100 shares into rupees 50. That equals to minus 5,000. This is the main reason why stock markets are very risky. You can earn money very fast and you can also lose money very fast. I hope this video helped you. In the next video, we will learn how to make profits by reducing risks. So don't miss it. Meanwhile, subscribe to my channel for further more videos like this. Thank you for watching and I will see you in my next video. Stay awesome.